The Annex Skywalk.
Well, that's the last thing I heard him say before they kicked me out.
Skywalk? That sounds like some pissant World's Fair. Let me see here. What's it? Oh, wait a minute. This must be it right here. See, this connects to the new terminal. Now, yeah. See, here's you. There's the Skywalk. Now check this out.
What the fuck is that?
Tunnels! Just like the Japs had. All over Iwo Jima. That's where I got wounded. But don't worry, we put those little twerps in their place once and for all. Now look, see these tunnels? They connect with everything. Heating, cooling, all the terminals. So, what I do is, I put you in here at the boiler room. You come out there.
How far do you think that is?
About a mile. Mile and a half.
So it's an easy jog, right? Through the tunnels.
No. It's like slogging your way across Okinawa, for crying out loud. But that's the easy part. First, you gotta be an acrobat. Winter up there, summer down here.
Christ, you gotta be kidding me.
What's the matter, kid?
This is how I spent Christmas last year.
You can make it. It's a snap. Just don't look down.
Yeah. A regular Pink Panther. Well, I owe you one, Marvin. I get across this thing, I'll buy you a 6-pack of malt liquor.
How about a case of Johnny Walker? Hey, I may be homeless, but I ain't tasteless.
Fucking acrobat, you gotta be Spider-Man.